How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell.
Attention all units. We have a code 6 party failing to stop for police. Supervisor requesting units on non-priority calls. Switch over to tab 2 and monitor the chase.
Time is 11. .425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. By the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon each Wednesday. This radio station, WNG 735, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Carroll, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Holmes, Stark, Tuscarawas, and Wayne. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. Northeast Ohio. Warning alarm for WWG 66 Moccasin Valley servicing area. Alarm potentially dangerous weather to Ohio. During fevers, we automatic 6 divisions sworn officially impact fevers automatically conducted by the National Weather Service. Wednesday, 11 a.m. Test of the no weather radio warning alarm.